10 reasons why crypto airdrop hunters may smile again. The great airdrop exodus, why the crowd has left. Between 2021 and 2024, cryptocurrency airdrops became one of the most talked about opportunities in the digital asset space. Stories of individuals receiving thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars from projects such as early decentralized finance protocols and blockchain ecosystems attracted millions of people and newcomers. The logic was simple. Complete tasks, interact with testnets, engage with communities, invite other people, and wait for token distribution. As success stories spread, participation exploded. Unfortunately, what many late entrants failed to understand was that airdrops are often governed by a simple economic reality. When too many people compete for the same reward pool, individual rewards shrink. The result was predictable. Projects that once rewarded a few thousand users suddenly had millions of participants competing for the same allocation. Many users received token allocations worth only a few dollars, while others were excluded entirely due to eligibility criteria. Disappointment followed. Over the last 18 months, many participants have abandoned the airdrop ecosystem, concluding that the era of meaningful rewards is over. But is it over? A more critical examination suggests that the conditions that created the previous boom may be quietly setting the stage for another profitable cycle. Here are 10 reasons why crypto airdrop hunters may smile again. Number 1. Competition has declined significantly. The biggest reason may also be the simplest. When millions of users rushed into airdrops, rewards became diluted. As frustration increased, many participants exited the space. Lower participation means less competition for future distributions. In economic terms, scarcity of participants can increase the average reward per participant if project allocations remain similar. The same activity that once had 1 million participants may now have only a fraction of that number. Number 2 reason why crypto airdrop participants may begin to smile soon is because markets often reward persistence. Financial markets have a long history of rewarding those who remain after the crowd leaves. The highest returns are rarely earned during periods of maximum excitement. They are often earned during periods of pessimism, when fewer people are paying attention. Airdrops may follow the same pattern. Those still participating after the exodus may benefit from reduced competition and less noise. Number 3 is project still needs users. Blockchain projects continue to face the same challenge they always have, attracting and retaining users. Airdrops remain one of the cheapest and the most effective user acquisition strategies available. Projects need wallets, testers, liquidity providers, validators, and community members. As long as blockchain startups exist, incentives will continue to be offered. Number 4 is venture capital money has not disappeared. Although funding levels have fluctuated, billions of dollars continue to flow into blockchain and Web3 startups. Investors expect growth. Growth requires users. Users often require incentives. Airdrops remain one of the primary methods of distributing ownership while encouraging ecosystem participation. Number 5 is that civil farmers are being filtered out. Many projects have become more sophisticated in identifying fake accounts and automated participants. While this creates more work for genuine users, it also reduces the number of individuals gaming the system. The result may be fewer eligible participants and larger allocations for genuine contributors. Number 6 is the quality projects are becoming more selective. The early airdrop era rewarded almost everyone. Today, many projects focus on rewarding meaningful engagement rather than simple clicks. This trend favors participation while willing to invest time and effort. This trend favors participants willing to invest time and effort. Smaller participants pools often translate into less diluted rewards. Number 7 reason is that blockchain competition is intensifying. New blockchains continue to emerge. Each blockchain ecosystem needs developers, liquidity users, and community members. Competition among chains can lead to aggressive incentive programs. Historically, such competition has often benefited early adopters. Number 8 reason is that many participants underestimate future tokens. One mistake many airdrop hunters make is focusing only on immediate token prices. Some projects initially launch at disappointing valuations, but later appreciate significantly if adoption grows. A token worth $20 today will be worth substantially more if the ecosystem succeeds. This does not happen often, but it happens often enough to remain relevant. Number 9 is that bear markets create opportunity. During market downturns, public interest fails or falls, search volume drops, social media engagement declines, participation decreases. Yet, many successful crypto fortunes have historically been built during periods when most people had lost interest. Airdrop opportunities may be no different. Number 10 reason why those still involved in crypto airdrop may still smile to the bank is because human nature creates circles. Perhaps the most powerful reason is psychological. People tend to enter opportunities after hearing success stories rather than before them. By the time everyone is participating, the easy gains are often gone. When disappointment spreads, participants leave. When enough participants leave, opportunities can improve again. This circle has repeated itself across stocks, commodities, real estate, and cryptocurrencies. There is little reason to believe airdrops are immune. Now, the reality check. Despite these optimistic factors, it would be irresponsible to conclude that all future airdrops will be lucrative. Several risks remain. Many projects will fail. Some tokens will become worthless. Eligibility criteria may become stricter. Regulatory pressures could affect distributions. Time invested may not always produce rewards. The golden age of effortless rewards may never return. The era of clicking a button and receiving thousands of dollars is likely over. However, the decline in participation may create better risk-reward conditions for disciplined participants than existed during the height of the airdrop frenzy and hype. As a conclusion, I need to let you know that the collapse in enthusiasm surrounding crypto airdrops may be precisely what improves their attractiveness. When everyone participated, rewards became diluted. When many participants left, competition increased. That does not guarantee future success, but it does suggest that the probability of meaningful rewards may be improving for those willing to remain active, while others have moved on. In markets, opportunities often become attractive only after most people stop believing in them. Crypto airdrops may be entering that phase once again. This analysis I've done, I intentionally avoided hype and I focused on market structure, incentives, competition, and participant behavior rather than making promises of profits like some do. And I hope you understand where we are coming from, where we are, and where we are going. Please take informed decision of your choice on this matter. I'm going to see you in the next video. My name is Otolumi Gadeti. On this channel, I bring you information on how to make money both online and offline. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.